up. It was a bright full moon to start the day.
Yeah, very bright.
And it is going to stay chilly through mid-morning, but then later on this afternoon, we'll gradually get to the low to mid 40s across the metro. Still some frosty spots out there early, partly to mostly cloudy skies, a sign of what's to come out west with more snow moving into the mountains as we get through this afternoon and evening. But our temperatures are still in the upper teens through Aurora down into Littleton and downtown. Low 20s now through Arvada and Lakewood into Parker and Elizabeth. So definitely one of those mornings. Sunglasses, warm coat, gloves, hat, current wind gusts last recorded over Estes Park at 38 miles per hour. So breezy up at those higher elevations. You combine that with the cold temperatures, the wind chill values, making it feel even colder, especially over the far eastern plains. Feels like 11 out in Fort Morgan and 3 out at the airport. So a wind chill advisory that was in place earlier on over the far eastern plains, that's since expired, but definitely still want to bundle up because dangerous wind chill values still possible over those mountain towns, especially through Gunnison. Feels like 5 below zero currently. Now we do have watches and warnings that will go into effect. Not there yet, but later on this afternoon for our northern and central mountains. Winter storm warnings in place for a lot of our northern high country over Steamboat Springs. Winter weather advisories. That also includes Aspen, Eagle, Vail, and then through Grand Junction as well. We'll continue to see some snow and into our southern mountains, but those warnings not in place as of right now. Your hourly planner though for the metro area across the Denver region for today, expect by lunchtime still only hovering right around freezing, so it's going to stay cold for the first half of the Saturday, and then we'll gradually top out in the low to mid 40s over most parts and partly cloudy skies and dry through tonight. 3 o'clock this afternoon, Lakewood, Westminster, you're expecting highs in the mid 40s, upper 40s down and through Highlands Ranch, 44 for Lone Tree and Aurora. Taking us through our statewide futurecast, the snow will start to pick up. Snow showers off and on into our northern high country through lunchtime. Winds will be strong at times over the far eastern plains, and it'll be breezy through tonight over the Denver area with widespread snowfall into our central mountains. Can make for some slippery conditions out west. Chain and traction laws will be in place over our higher mountain passes. Please keep that in mind if you have to drive. Just make sure that you're prepared for the winter weather that'll be moving into the high country. Dry conditions over the plains, but up to about a foot in spots over our mountains. So our 7-day forecast showing mountain snow for Sunday, 43 degrees. If you're out and about, mornings will be cold, afternoons chilly, but seasonal. It's January, so low to mid 40s expected through this weekend. Similar story on Monday with low 40s, not quite as cold on Tuesday. And as of this 7-day forecast, friends, we're staying just mostly cloudy and dry here across the Front Range and Plains.